In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup on this phone. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System and reach Backup. So just click on it to open. And if you'd like to backup your phone with Google One, and here you've got info, so it will use some part of your Google account storage. It will be done automatically, so your phone, as you can see here, is backed when it's on, locked, and connected to power and Wi-Fi. And also you can turn on and off backups whenever you want to. It can be managed easily. And to activate it, just tap on turn on. And that's it. As you can see, it is active. So here you've got the note that your phone backs up automatically over Wi-Fi after it has been idle and charging for 2 hours. So this is it. This is how you can activate Backup by Google One. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.